All right, this recording is to cover Standard 3, the learning environments. Mr. Borden is here, and we're ready for our session today.
Good morning. First thing I want to say is that it was an excellent lesson. I really see that you've incorporated a lot of the things that I had suggested at our last meeting. I noticed all the kids were facing forward, and all the kids were very engaged in the lesson. So kudos for that. You can see the classroom management. You can see the students focused. Looking at the different criteria in the rubric for does candidate use interactive technologies to promote learning, I've marked that outstanding because I saw the Chromebooks out. I saw that the students had work they had to do on it, research, they were collaborating, good question and answer session. Definitely, that's another great classroom management tool where they have the computers in front of them. They seem to be a little bit more engaged. In the next, verbal and nonverbal communication, I marked proficient. You asked a lot of questions, which gave the students an opportunity to also respond. What I liked also is just your acknowledgement to the students when they gave you an answer. Sometimes you don't get that. You would get instructors who, as soon as they get the answer, they just go to the next person. So, and just excuse me, my allergies are acting up today. So, managing managing the learning, it was very managed. Again, I saw such a significant difference just in the classroom itself. Excellent learning environment. I've marked you outstanding there. Everything was organized. The questioning was organized. The students had the materials they needed to learn. So that was excellent also. So the classroom, it appeared that they had enough time to do the lesson, which is always great, and it looked really, really, really good.
Thank you.
Next one is student-centered classrooms. I put proficient here because it was student-centered, where you can see that the students were gonna, basically some of them would have to work at their own pace because they had their Chromebook, but they were also able to collaborate, and you were always available. You were walking around, always there if they had any questions, but you let them do the assignment. And you can see definitely their involvement and how well they did because, again, you incorporated technology into the lesson.
Good, thank you.
And then collaboration for a safe, positive learning environment. Again, I saw you, I marked you proficient here. I saw the students, they were engaged in the assignment. The seats, everything was spread out well. And I know you do have contact with parents because we just had parent-teacher conferences. So parents are aware of what grades their child is getting, but also on that note, they're aware what some students may have to do to improve their grades. So for this lesson, it was incredible, loved it. Just all the students, the way they were engaged, but the environment was at a level where it was the collaboration was at a reasonable level. So I think you did really good. I could see the improvement and just the increase in confidence that you have in the classroom now.
Well, good. I feel very encouraged by that, and I appreciate that. So I'll try to make that a goal from here on out.
Mm-hmm.
So this was short and sweet. This was our mentoring session for Standard 3 learning environments.